Good evening from sunny Florida. It's Holly once again. I know I'm always a couple minutes late, but it happens. This evening, my topic is afraid of your future. Believe me, you're not alone. The world is changing, but you don't have to be left behind. If the thought of the future scares you, as I said, you really aren't alone. If it feels like everything is moving faster and you're falling behind, you're not imagining it. You're really not. I gotta go. For those, this live, for this evening is more so about who is grinding and still not getting ahead. You just keep grinding, but not going anywhere. Or maybe you are as far as stressing or frustration, that kind of thing. My hair keeps blowing in my face. Sorry about that. But and if you don't feel like you're getting ahead, for the ones who wonder what's next, but don't have a plan yet, hi Deborah. What's happening right now? I'm going to give you like a global snapshot, so to speak. AI, artificial intelligence, we all know what that is. And if you don't, I'm surprised. Good afternoon, Deborah. AI is expected, if this is a global snapshot for 24, what happened, and 25. But AI is expected to replace, scary, these numbers, IEWK, as to replace 375 million jobs by 2030. Those are facts. I don't make these numbers up. I do a lot of research before I even present anything online. I don't want to mislead anybody. 60% of U.S. adults say they're living paycheck to paycheck. The average American now needs 3 incomes per household, just seriously to stay afloat. Those numbers are scary as heck, aren't they? But that's reality. That's what's going on. I mean, if you look around, all different ages, seniors especially, I mean, that's the time we seniors should be retired, enjoying life. Our golden years, they seem tarnished, basically. But more people over the age of 65 are working, 65 are working than ever before, ever in history. Not by choice, but by necessity and survival. I mean, when you think about it, we're in the middle of a shift again, but this time it's a massive shift. And while big corporations are automating, everyday people are being left behind. Hi, Faye.